This is a video tutorial on how to add events to the Troop 121 website calendar. So to get started, you would first need to log in with your account, and it would have to be either an adult or a youth leadership position account that has the ability to create activities. If you are somebody that needs the site privileges and don't have it, please contact me at t121webmaster@gmail.com and I can go ahead and give you that access to the website. So to begin with, you would go under Activities, go to the Troop Calendar, and do an Add Event. And I'm going to go ahead and create an example one to show the process. So first you would select the event type. There are several preloaded ones here, and if there's something here that you need that you don't see here, please just contact me again at t121webmaster@gmail.com, and I will go ahead and add another entry here if you need it. So for this example, I'm going to just go ahead and use a meeting type. The event name, I'm going to call it Temp Patrol Meeting, and I've done this before, so it's already being pre-filled for me, but you can go ahead and just type the full thing in. And then here what you'll see is that there are several preloaded locations, and those you can actually add yourself, and I'll show you how to do that, and that's one of the other buttons on the calendar. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and use our default location for patrol meetings, which is the Lutheran Church of the Resurrection. And so I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then departing from and returning to, that's for things where, for example, you want to meet somewhere and then go to the location. And you can see, I know that Troop 121, we frequently use Bill's Donuts as a place to meet and then take off from there. So somebody's already gone ahead and add that into the list of event locations. So in this case, the patrol meeting probably all meet at the church and leave from the church. So I'm not going to put anything in this field for this event. So the starting date, we can go ahead and put, I'm going to go ahead and put February 11th, starting at 7 p.m. And it's going to end the same day, which is February 11th. And let's just go 8:30 p.m. You can limit to number of people, plan activities. This will show up, and for example, I'm just going to say some details about this meeting. And leaders, I can go ahead and put our patrol leader or any other troop member here as the leaders for this event, and you can list up to 2 leaders for the event. You can also upload agendas and minutes. The minutes are usually afterward. Agenda is if somebody has wanted to create a file like a Word document or a PDF and then upload what's going to be covered in a agenda. You can go ahead and do that also. I'm not going to go through that, but it's just as easy as hitting choose file, and then it'll ask pop up for where the file is located on your hard drive. So I'm going to go ahead and just save and exit. You can save and add another if you have more than one event to update. So I'm going to go ahead and save and exit. And what you'll see is it's been added right here to the calendar. And then if I go into Troop Temp Patrol Meeting, you'll see that these are all the things that I just entered in the example. And right here, the planned activities, some details about this meeting, that's what I put there. What you'll see here is this is the family members that I put in here, and since I'm just doing this as a demo, I put some a scout demo person and this is me, the Troop 121 webmaster. So that's pretty much it. This is what most people will see when they sign in, and then they can go ahead and check yes or no if they're coming or unknown, and then it's easy to or find out who is coming or planning on coming. So that's it for this way of adding an event. So the other way of doing this is, let's go back to the troop calendar, and let's say that you have an event at a location that's Troop 121 doesn't have on in their database of locations. So you can go ahead and just do an add event at new location. And what that's going to bring up is location name. So you can go ahead and create a new location. Let's call it temp meeting. Oops, meeting place. Description, this is for a demo. or you can put whatever you want there. If the place has a website, a telephone number, address, you can go ahead and put that all in there. And then, for example, let's say 7200 Auburn Folsom Road, Granite Bay. And then we can just do a find on map. It'll show where it is on the map, and that's how people can see where it is. And then that's pretty much it. Now you can just go ahead and if you wanted to, you can have a photo of the front of the place. You can just say choose file and then upload the photo. In this case, I don't have anything, so I'm just going to hit continue. Also more things if you wanted to. Add directions on how to get to the place. This will show up in most people's web browsers, so they'll actually have a location and then a map here. So that's if you want to just give some more detail. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And then you can see again, now it brings me to the same place that we had before, where I do the meeting type. And then so I'm going to just say, in this case, let's call it a, just do other for now. Event name, new meeting at new place. Departing from, in this case, I just put Bill's Donuts as an example. Start time, I'm going to go do, just so we don't, on the 12th, and then we'll go February 12th again. And let's do it at 6 p.m. just for a change, and we'll just go to 7 p.m. So we can also put in sign up start times and deadlines, estimated costs. Since this is another, it's pre-filling all the boxes that are capable for any event. You don't have to put, if you put other things like a meeting, these boxes didn't show up like in the first example. And then the other ones with leaders and agenda and minutes. Tour permit submitted, those are for off-site type events. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close. And what you see here is that on the 12th, I've gone ahead and put a new meeting at new place. And let's say I go click that. And then you can see their new location here. If I click it, it brings up that new location that I just entered in and the description. So I'm going to go ahead and exit in this case. And then we're departing from and returning to Bill's Donuts. And that's pretty much it. So you can see again, the rest of it looks pretty much similar to the regular responding for attending events. So that's pretty much it. The only last thing would be that if you wanted to, rather than going to the troop calendar, to get these buttons down here, which is add event and add event at new location, you can just go to activities and just say event location if you wanted to add an event location but didn't want to add a new event, and then add and update events. So that one might be worth looking at. So add an update event. If you click on that one, let the website load it, what you're going to get is more of a table format rather than a calendar. So you can see here that these are all the things that are coming up, start and end dates. You can sort through them by event location by clicking on the header and the start time and the end times. So you can see through here, these are all the things that are on our troop calendar in a table format. That's if you just wanted to look up something on a certain date really quickly or wanted to see all the events from a certain location. So that's pretty much it. If you have any problems, please catch me at the next troop or patrol meeting, or you can always contact me by sending me an email at t121webmaster@gmail.com. It's really easy to find. Just go to the home page, and I'll always leave this email address here for any problems that people have. So let me know if you have any troubles, and thank you very much. Thanks.